All right, Coe Show 619 here. Check this out. We got the Axial Trail Proven Off-Road Performance SCX24. This is an awesome little Jeep Gladiator. I picked up the Gladiator because I actually own a Gladiator and I thought I should have one. So I went down to my local hobby store and we shop at Cajon Hobbies in town here. And the nice guy Ryan helped me in about 2 minutes. He grabbed the Jeep Gladiator and got me this smart battery lead, basically the SPMX CA309 IC3 battery to JST PH2 device connector. And basically you can charge your battery on your any type of charger basically with this little guy. And then we also got an extra battery. It's from Cajon Hobby. It's the DYN B0012. It's a 350 milliamp 2S LiPo, and that'll fit in this Jeep Gladiator. So we're gonna unbox it together right now. Get ready for that. Okay, getting serious now. We're gonna unbox this on my homemade course. Let's see how this goes. Oh, here's the factory seals on the side here. Cut those open. Pull it out. Oops, I know I'm getting kind of close here, but that's how we have to live. There's a radio in the box. It's here. And then there's a zip tie on the bottom. We'll cut that. So now you've got your SCX24. Thing is awesome. Totally scale. Batteries in it, it looks like. The suspension's really nice. It's got some cool articulation. I'm not sure how the body works. I think you lift it up or something. Piece of Velcro here, it looks like. The body tips up and then your car's inside. A warning label there about your LiPo. It comes with 4 AA batteries. I don't even need to make a stop to get those. And then, excuse me while I get this out. So in the bottom here of the box, we have a radio. Pretty nice and sleek. It's a little smaller than a, well, it's the same size as a standard radio. It's just ergonomically made. Pretty cool. You can fit it in your hand. Looks like all your adjustments are done here if you wanted to. Haven't read the manual yet, so we will. I'll fire this up here in a minute. So, awesome little truck. We'll check this out on the track in a second. So how big is it compared to 10 scale? Well, my dogs eat each other. It's small. It's 8 inches long, I guess. Okay, now you know that. Border Collies. Here we are with the SCX24 charge lead. Part number is right there. And basically, you want this lead to go to your charger. You don't have to wait on the USB charger. I have my charger set at 0.3 amps for a 350 milliamp battery. So we're gonna go ahead and press start. Start. And basically you'll see my battery's charging now at 0.3 amps. And we'll see how long that takes. Then we'll play with some Gladiator SCX24. Got Mrs. Show driving her driving her Jeep. There's some wacko dogs. Oh, roll over, Sam. We're back up on this black diamond rocks. Okay. Competition hill. Kid in there. Oh yeah, gnarly.
Oops.
Lady hands on the remote. Yeah. We're gonna get tired. Now, oh, she's at tubular. Going up the gnarly slate rock. Oh man, slate rock action. It's pretty cool.